guys, welcome back to TK&M. So today we are at a place where ball seeds are gonna be in our hand and balls are gonna eat out of our hands, and who can get the most balls to eat out of our hands. Do you love my buddies? The food? Because I want to kiss them and they are so cute. And I want to pick them in my hand. Who do you think is going to get the most birds in their hand? TK or M? Eat them both. Oh! Ow! Ow! Their claw's hard. Oh! Oh, Butty. Why does he keep dropping all of these? I think I'm gonna have to switch Hi guys, we just found a Talkies. Guys, we were so close to them. Kayla threw a seed and it landed right into his mouth, and then they flew away for a minute. So it's T and K, and Kayla is going to feed some swans. We see two swans, and with that bird food. So we're going to head over there right now, and we're gonna bring you guys with us. See you later. Yes. So look, there's a dog right there. I want you to see. There's a big dog right there. That's that one, dude. Oh, don't bite me. We got so many, and we lost track of how much TK and M got.
Did you have fun today?
No. And also, Maddie's not feeling too good, and we decided to say take your friend outside. And if you liked it, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and we hope you guys enjoyed it.